Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y35, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here we can see ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side this dot. Just if you want to make it by the second way, you should first here be sure that you have selected on the volume buttons the ringtone, and now just let's press down volume button, and by this way we can also move the ringtone volume. Also we can make it by the third way, just slide to the down this volume panel with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.